Oh, hey there, Glub-Glub here. I get it, you wanted a dog but ended up with a spectacular fish like me. A classic mix-up. But let's dive into how to keep me and your dreams alive. First, let's talk water. Just like how dogs need a clean yard, we need clean water, but we don't need to be taken out for a walk. Bonus for you. Regularly change 1/3 of my water to keep me happy, just like how you'd feel if you sat in a dirty bathtub for days. Feeding time. Now I don't eat bones or treats. But fish flakes are my jam. No more than a pinch, please. And not too many treats. I want to keep my sleek figure. And just a pro tip, I don't play fetch, but I'm great at hide and seek. Okay, I'm not that good, but I try. Last but not least, talk to me. I may not bark or wag a tail, but I'm all ears or fins. Tell me about your day or how much you still want a dog. I promise not to get too salty. So, even though I'm not furry, and I don't have that new puppy smell, I'm still your fish-tastic friend. With a little care, I'll be swimming by your side for years. Remember, every pet is special, even if it's not what you expected. Until next time, keep swimming.